effect is defined as the idea that a small cause, such as the flap of a butterfly's wings, can result in dramatic effects, like altering the path of a tornado. This is also sometimes referred to as chaos theory, which is defined as the phenomenon whereby a minute, localized change in a complex system can have large effects elsewhere. A meteorology professor and mathematician by the name of Edward Lorenz, who searched for a means to predict weather, gave a lecture in 1972 wherein he stated, "A butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can produce a tornado in Texas." In an experiment to predict the weather, he used a computer to enter precise variables and discovered that any small change in those variables, such as change in temperature or wind speed, caused a dramatic change in the simulated 2 months forecast of weather predictions. His writings, speeches, and interviews conveyed that the butterfly is a symbolic representation of an unknowable quantity, making the phrase butterfly effect now common to use to describe situations wherein a small cause can produce a large effect. It became so popular that the title The Butterfly Effect was even used in the creation of a popular 2004 movie. And there are many examples of the butterfly effect. For instance, did you know that the Lego Group began in a carpentry workshop that mostly assisted in the construction of houses and furniture? The workshop, owned by Ole Kirk Christensen, a Danish carpenter, burned down in 1924 when a fire ignited some of the wood shavings. Ole Kirk then constructed a larger workshop to expand his business. But when the Great Depression hit, he had fewer customers and had to become creative, shifting his focus to smaller projects. Those projects consisted of producing miniature versions of his products, such as step ladders and ironing boards, which led to his inspiration to begin producing toys. When plastic became available, he began producing miniature bricks. Now, the Lego Company is a very popular and profitable line of construction toys and related products and services, to include board games, retail stores, video games, films, theme parks, and consultant services. It's also said that Lego pieces outnumber humans by 62 to 1.